Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing these lava lamp nails that I saw from Instagram, and I'm using Makart's rainbow polygel kit. So if you are interested to see how I did these nails, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by unboxing the Makart gel rainbow polygel kit, and I was so happy to see that these tubes were really big tubes. I think they're 30 mils. Usually they are 15 mils, and it basically comes with a good number of colors, and it also came with dual forms, which I was not expecting. Of course, the instructions and also the dual forms. So these are the colors. You get a good range, and I was happy to see that there is like a neon green and blue color in there and a dark blue, because I don't have that yet. Of course, you get your top and base coat, your dual forms, your dual-ended polygel brush with a spatula on one end and the brush on the other. You get your 120 to 140 grit file, a pack of a pack of nail forms, sorry. You get some very detailed instructions on how to use this with the dual forms and the nail forms as well, which I will be doing in another video. And I'm gonna just start off with my nail prep, which I've kind of already done, but now I'm just applying base coat to my natural nails. And if you guys follow me for a while now, you'll know that I love to put base coat into the well of the tip. And then basically today I wanted to show you guys how I cure my nails. So I just hold it on top and have the lamp already lit so that it's ready for my nails to cure when they go in. And that's pretty much it. And the UV light that I use is the Sun X 56 watt light. It's the big one, so you can fit both hands in there, and I really recommend it because it's very powerful, and I've been using it for a while now, so it's just worked really well for me. And I did get it from Amazon, and I will be linking everything that I am using in the description box below as well. And because I am a Makart ambassador, I want to give you guys a 15% off discount code. It's gonna be Nails by Kamin, and that will give you 15% off at checkout from the Makart website. And this is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission as well. So it would be nice if you could use that, because it would really help support the channel as well. So now I'm just cutting off the little bit at the end. I don't file them because I'm a bit lazy to do that, so I just cut them off, and yeah, I keep most of the length as well. So now I'm going to swatch all the colors for you, and I was really happy with all these colors. They were so pretty, and I accidentally swatched the blue one first, but I'm just trying to do them in order. And I want to show you guys how nice that dark blue is. Like, it's just perfect, and I don't have one yet, so yeah, really like those. And the purple was also really nice as well. So the kit did not come with a white, but I do have the bright white from Makart from their classic polygel kit, which I've also done a review on, which I will be linking down below. And I'm using the base coat as my slip solution because it's just so much easier to use gel with gel compared to gel with like the slip solution that you usually get, which is, I think, like, you can also use acetone as well if you wish to, or rubbing alcohol, but this just works so much better. And I'm using this to basically make the base of the lava lamp, and I kind of wanted to recreate the look that I saw on Instagram, which I will link the person that this was inspired by down below. And yeah, she did hers on stiletto tips, but I only have coffin for now, so I still think it worked really well on coffin. And this bit here is basically going to be the top of the lava lamp. So, and then the space in between it is where I'm going to be having all like the lava looking thing in the middle. So I just quickly did that, and then I started off with green and yellow, and instead of going straight onto the nail, I just used the spatula because I feel like I don't really get much use out of the spatula end of these polygel brushes. So then applying base coat, and now I'm just coating my brush really well with the base coat to be able to mold that polygel how I want to. And yeah, this just takes a little bit of practice, but I'm so happy that this is polygel and not acrylic, because I had all the time I wanted to perfect this, and I really was happy with how this looked in the end, because the polygel just helped to make it so much easier. The person that did it on Instagram, I believe they used Glitterbell's acrylic. So I just wanted to see if I was able to achieve a similar result with polygel, because her nails looked so cool and I was really inspired as soon as I saw them. So as you can tell, it's much easier with polygel because you have all the time you need to work with it, and you can always add and remove anything that you need to. The next color I'm going in is like with that neon yellow, and this color was really nice and bright. I do wish I had cleaned off my brush a little bit with this, because I found that in the end the thumb was a little bit cloudy, like it wasn't as clear as I would have liked it to be. So do bear that in mind. Definitely try to clean off your brush with every color, because even though you may not see it, it does get a tiny bit milky. It might just be also from the white, so just bear that in mind and just try to keep your brush as clean as possible when working with clear nails. Now the second finger is going to be pretty much similar type thing, just with different colors, and I've been using Makat's polygels for a while now. I've used many of their kits, not all of them I believe, but a lot of them, and I really do like Makat's polygel. It's so beginner friendly, it's so nice and easy to get hold of. They're available on Amazon and on the website. I believe they have a Makat EU website, a Makat CA website, which I believe is like Canada or something, and I think they have like I don't know if they have another one, I'm not sure, but those are the two I know of from the top of my head. And yeah, they ship worldwide basically, and they really are amazing. So definitely get your hands on some Makat polygel if you're a beginner. It's not the cheapest, but it's not that expensive either. It's like very affordable, so definitely give it a try, and I'm sure you will love it. And they also have amazing different kinds of kits. They have like different they have small kits and they have really large kits as well. So yeah, definitely worth the money, and you can always use my discount code for some money off, which will also be in the description box below. So this white that I was using was actually super easy to work with. I don't know if it was just like my room temperature today, but the polygel was really soft today, and yeah, I was able to actually do this much quicker than I thought I would. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this so far, and if you are enjoying it, I just want to remind you guys to hit the like button, because it really helps my channel out a lot. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm really close to almost hitting 10k, which is my next milestone. So thank you to everyone who has been really supportive, really sweet in the comments, and yeah, just thank you for watching my videos, and it really means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much. And as I was doing these nails, I was thinking how I wanted to do a video using not the dual forms, because I've done quite a few videos on dual forms. If you want to check those out, I will link those below, but instead the forms, because I realized I've not really been doing any videos with forms. I've been sticking to tips quite a lot recently, because they're so easy to just throw on with gel and then get started. But there may be some people out there who like to use forms, and I was definitely going through a form phase a couple months ago, but then that kind of stopped and I just started using tips. So I kind of want to get back into that and just improve my form I guess, application when I use forms. So let me know down below if that's something you might want to see, because I'm definitely interested in getting back into those and hopefully creating some new shapes, because I know I use Coffin a lot. And yeah, so let me know down below if that's something you want to see. I think that's what I might be doing for my next video anyways. So yeah, just let me know if you also have any other suggestions of any other videos that you would like me to do for you guys. So these colors are very nice and opaque. They're not sheer at all. They're very, very nice and bright, and I'm really happy I got my hands on this kit because the tube's absolutely massive. So this is gonna save me a lot of money, because I can get a lot of use out of these colors. You know, there's such a good range that I could create so many different looks. And yeah, so let me know if anybody has any look in mind, anything that they want me to try, and I will definitely put that on the list of things that to do. I also just wanted to mention, when you are working with you know, designs like this, try to keep your brush with less try to put less base coat on, is what I'm trying to say, because the more base coat you have, the easier the polygel begins to move, and then it can happen where the polygel just doesn't stay where you put it, and it does begin to slide around just a bit, which can be quite frustrating. So do just try to keep your brush a little bit dry, so that it is easier to work with the polygel. And this blue color I absolutely loved. I really wish I had done this the other way around, so with the purple on the thumb, and then as I go down it would have ended off with the green and the yellow, because I wanted to get more use out of that blue, but it just skipped my mind. But it's fine, I really like how these turned out anyway. So we've just skipped to filing now. I've encapsulated off camera. I've used the Macart clear polygel, which is absolutely amazing. It's one of the clearest I've used, so definitely get your hands on that if you're looking for something that's really clear. And with my e-file that I'm using, it's the JD700 e-file from Macart, and I absolutely love it. It's been going strong for over 2 years now, and yeah, it's just so easy, it's so quick, it's just easy to use, and yeah, definitely get your hands on that. And these bits that I'm using, they're just random drill bits that I got from Amazon, which are also really good. I'm really been loving this bit. It's just, I don't know, it just cuts down my filing time so much that I just use it so many times. I should probably start to replace it though now, because I find that it is getting a slightly more worn out. So yeah, but with my filing, what I basically do is, because I apply my clear layer very smooth, I basically just go over the top, smooth out anything, just like I'm doing now, and then I just focus on the shape. For the shape, I just go on the edges of the nail, and I just make sure that it's nice and tidy, and that the shape is nice and crisp. I don't always go in with the hand file in the kit, because I'm usually fine with just cleaning up the edges like I am now. That's exactly how I like to do mine, and I just take my time and go nice and slow, and it usually just does the job for me. But sometimes when I'm having a bit of a hard time, or I've done a bit of a bad job with my application, I like to go in with my hand file and smooth out anything from the top and the sides. Today I did not do that, because everything was completely fine and I had no problem with my e-filing. So I will just be really top coating these nails soon, which is one of my favorite bits. Again, please don't forget to use my discount code nailedbyk for 15% off, and thank you to everyone who has used my code already. It really helps out, so thank you for that. And this e-file bit set does come with a range of other like ephel bits, like some safety bits, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing. You also get some nice cuticle bits in there, which is really nice for when you do prep. So now I'm finally done and I'm top coating all of the nails, and this is what they look like. I really love and enjoy top coating because everything just comes back to life. Although I do really like matte nails, I always have to think twice before top coating, because even though the others are matte, I was still like really drawn to them. So I just top coat and I do a nice generous layer, and make sure that after you top coat not to clean up the sides of the nails with your finger, so that it keeps the shape of your nail and the shape is just nice and crisp as well. I'm just giving those a good top coat, and the Macart top coat is really nice and shiny. I really enjoy this top coat. It is definitely a affordable but really good top coat. And I'm also applying top coat to the bottom of the nails because the center of the nails are clear, so I just wanted for that to show up a bit more. And yeah, that's definitely something you want to do. Now I'm just applying my cuticle oil. This is from the Body Shop, and massage this in really well. And this is it for the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely gave these nails my best shot. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think they look like lava nails. I really hope they do. They do to me anyways. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.